Welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start using the DeepSeek AI on your smartphone. And the first step for this is to install it on your device. So let's get started right away. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in DeepSeek to begin your search. Once you find the DeepSeek AI assistant, tap on it and you can browse through the application details as well as the reviews left by users. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation, and you may press the auto open toggle, which will automatically open up the application once it is installed. After you open up the application, you may continue forward with your Google account or through your regular sign-in. If you don't already have an account, tap on the sign up button to begin. You will need to confirm the terms and conditions in order to proceed forward with your sign up or login. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the DeepSeek AI application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.